Happy Saturday, my friends. I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend so far. This is Lindsay back with another work from home job lead video. Today's job lead is for those who are looking for part-time night and weekend hours. If you have another job and you're just trying to make some extra money on the side, this one is for you. The company Curology. So this is a skincare company, where you can send in pictures of your skin, your face, and you can tell them what you're looking to treat, such as sunspots or acne, and a dermatologist will review all that, and they formulate a special prescription formula, face wash, face cream, whatever kind of skincare routine and products to you, and then you pay a monthly subscription fee and you get those prescription products sent to you to your house. They are hiring a part-time customer success specialist. So this is customer service, and they're looking for someone to resolve resolutions via email, chat, and SMS communications. So best of all, this is non-phone customer service. They are looking for someone to specifically deliver empathetic and personalized, detail-oriented solutions to their patients via their customer success channels of communication. They're looking for someone to practice active listening skills and patience, use problem-solving and analytical skills, and help troubleshoot and resolve patient issues. So you do need to maintain knowledge of the Curology product offerings. You'll have to share patient feedback with higher-ups and managers, and they do work on a productivity model, so you'll have to meet productivity targets. Now, as far as who they're looking for someone who has the ability to work in an office environment, sitting at a desk for long periods of time. You'll be typing and using a computer. This is evening and weekend hours are required. They're looking for someone who has great interpersonal communication and comprehension skills, and someone who has the ability to learn new software programs quickly, someone who is self-disciplined and motivated to achieve goals. Now, they do have some preferred qualifications. Previous experience handling a high volume of customer support tickets via email or other written communication is preferred, but not required, and 2 years of customer service experience preferred, but not required. It does say they were awarded a Great Place to Work and Best Workplace in the past. They are paying $18 an hour, and the part-time schedule they are looking for is Friday to Monday, 20 to 24 hours a week. So maybe like Friday night and then Saturday, Sunday, maybe Monday night. So this is nights and weekends, perfect for those of you who have a full-time Monday through Friday 8 to 5 job. Because this is part-time, it doesn't look like there are any benefits associated with this position. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.